Hello, today I'm talking about the wiring of the motor. I have the moon motor for other motor, but this extruder I use in the LGX. This is LDO motor, LGX bone tag gear, bone tag extruder. They use in the JST PHR connector. So basically those PHR 2.0 or PH 2.0 or PHR is the same thing. It belongs to the PH category. Basically they have six pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't use 2 and 5. You only use 1, 3, 4, and 6. Connect to the 4 pins. XHP 4 pin. The first pin of the PHR is black color. The second the third one is green. The fourth one is red. The last one is blue. Same here. But this one is opposite. This one is the first pin will be the blue. The last pin is the number 4 will be the black. The second 2 and 3 will be red and green. So first will be blue, second will be red, third will be green, and last one will be 4. But you don't need to worry about that. You must worry about later on when you output this one. It have to be the same pin code here, so you don't know which Y is which Y. Because when you read the print on the board, what they call it is a hard board, I think. Yeah. Anyway, this one is for the probe. You can see a little bit copper come out. It's a wrong wiring. It's a wrong crimping. I need to fix it later on. The insulators have to be go all the way down, and just a tiny bit of exposure, just a tiny bit exposure of the copper, right, conductor, right. The probe, the middle line, the black lines will be signal line. You know, that's one going to the BAT 80, BAT 85, the BAT 85. And the blue one will be the ground. The brown one will be the voltage one, the voltage input. The blue it will be ground. This is the thermistor, the 2Y. You need to worry about orientation. This is just a fan. You need to you can switch it later on if you put it wrong. It's put it wrong. The wrong color code, then this will be like the fan will be spinning in opposite direction. So instead of the airflow go like this, it's to go backward, right? But you can fix it with the software, you know. But this one is not, right? The motor you can fix it with the software, but remember, like the motor is using one coil and the other coil, so you cannot mix up this coil go with this coil, otherwise it will create the problem for your board. It can burn out the motor, burn out the board if you mess up with the coil. Okay, so the coil must be correct, but must be in order. There's only 2 coils here, so 1 and 2, so you can switch them together, but you cannot put A become B. You can replace AC with BD, but you cannot like connect A and B together or C and D together. That's not acceptable. And about the 6-pin connector, its name will be PHK. I have a cream bin set in here. I have a cream bin, female cream bin, and then PS 2.0 millimeter. A bunch of them, but you need 6 pin, of course. And this I use in a lot of things like battery connection. It's maximum maximum amp. Maximum amp will be 2 amp. You cannot go higher than that because the connector is very small. It's not really make tie contact with the pin, so it cannot conduct more than 2 amp. It can conduct more than 2 amp for a few milliseconds, but it's definitely burn out. You put like 7 amp in there. So for the motor, we only using 0.7 or 1 amp is the maximum for this one. So I don't because the maximum here they say, like, you know, they say in the rate current is 2 amp, but it's not that that's the maximum rated current. It will burn out the motor if you run continuously. The running current is different with the max current, remember, and the holding current is different with the running current. The holding current is, you know, most of the time you're using the holding current. For example, Z motor, you don't move up and down a lot. I mean, in millisecond, if you stretch them out, you will see, like, you know, you using, most of the time you're using holding current, and you must keep the motor cool. So the better coolity, the better lifespan, the longer lifespan. So but of course you need to have enough current to keep it from misstep, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it for the cable, the cable code of the LGX, LGX VORON LGX extruder, right? Go with the hot cable. Here is the color, the white color in schematic, not schematic, but it's just a document to let you know, like, you know, what is the specification of the motor. This motor insulate class B. You know, if you have class H, for example, you get higher temperature. This one is rate only 130, but you know, you keep it like below 100 Celsius. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.